If you need to cancel an appointment in Calendly, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to cancel a scheduled meeting quickly and correctly so you can avoid confusion and make sure the other person gets notified if needed. This is a simple process, but knowing where to click can save you time, especially if you manage a busy calendar. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Calendly account using the email and password associated with your scheduling profile. Once you're inside your account, you'll want to look for the Meetings section. This is where Calendly keeps track of your scheduled appointments, upcoming events, and booking activity. Click on Meetings to open your list of appointments. Now that you're in the Meetings area, find the appointment you want to cancel. If you have several meetings listed, take a moment to open the correct one so you don't cancel the wrong event by mistake. Click on the appointment to view the details. This should show you the meeting information, such as the time, date, and any participant details. Once the appointment is open, look for the Cancel button. Calendly usually places this option in the Meeting Details area, making it easy to access when you need to remove an event. Click Cancel to begin the cancellation process. In some cases, Calendly may ask you to enter a cancellation reason. If that happens, type a short reason that explains why the appointment is being cancelled. Keep it clear and professional if the cancellation is for a client, coworker, or scheduled business meeting. After you've entered a reason, the final step is to confirm the cancellation. Click Confirm Cancellation to complete the process. Once you do that, the appointment will be cancelled in Calendly and the schedule will update accordingly. If notifications are enabled, the other participant may also receive an update about the cancelled meeting depending on your settings and the type of event. It's always a good idea to double-check that the appointment no longer appears as active after cancellation. If you manage multiple events, repeat the same process for any other meetings you need to remove. Log in, go to Meetings, open the appointment, click Cancel, add a reason if prompted, and then confirm the cancellation. That's really all there is to it. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.